Pakistan is one of the countries where millions of people do not have access to electricity. Yesterday we had a very good session with solar companies, solar suppliers, and we learned a lot of things. When we talk about solar panel, you think about something huge, something very big, sitting on the top of roof. Let's see what a tiny solar panel can do. You want me to pass on? How many watt is this?
This is a 5-watt panel, which is more than enough to power our light. It can be mounted in a set position, or it can be put on a stand, and you can that way you can chase the sun, which gives it a lot of advantages.
And you see, this is a tiny, tiny solar panel, 5 watt. The old incandescent bulb used to be 100 watts. So we are talking about a very small, and that connects to this LED. And you see, gives enough light, and you basically charge it, connect it here, and you charge it. And how long will last this if I leave it like this?
You charge it during the day, and then the thing is you take it off then, and this light is completely portable, can go anywhere, from room to room, wherever you want. On full power, it'll last for 8 to 10 hours.
8 to 10 hours, full power, yep.
On half power, it will last for 50 hours.
50 hours, okay.
Low power, which is to give safety lighting, it will last for 200 hours.
So 200 hours, if you use 5 hours a day, that's about 40 days.
Yeah, but most people, by the time they use the lighting for 6 hours a night and charge their phone,
yes.
That's perfect for them.
And then, of course, it's not the end of it. You also can charge USB, can charge your phone. But the issue is, this is not the only product out there. There are hundreds of products out there. Everyone trying to solve one problem. The problem is, so many people do not have access to electricity. While we are arguing, do we want to build nuclear or coal or solar or hydro? The people out there, in this country, if we go maybe, 50 kilometers out, we'll find a lot of people who are still using kerosene. So that's the saddest part, where we, maybe in this hotel, we have a lot of lights on during daytime, but we are talking about solving their problems. And you had some interesting number about kerosenes, right?
Yeah, well, the average price for kerosene, the average spend is around between $1 and $2 a week. With using this light, we have a payment system where you can pay as you go, and it can be we can set that for any amount that's needed, whether it's 25 cents, 50 cents, or $1. So the idea is to provide clean energy. This is electricity on a stick. It arrives ready to use out of the box, no instructions needed, and they have clean energy from the first day.
I'm sure people will have 2 questions. One, how much and how long it will last?
It's going to be less than $40. We give a 5-year warranty with this product, and we make it in stainless steel. It's not plastic. It's made to last. Our batteries are 2,000 plus charges, and we imagine we will get 4,000. So it's a perfect solution, a long-term solution, something that can be implemented today while all the big things are coming on. There's no need for people to be living on kerosene for the next 5 years waiting.
So I understand Australian government gave you some money to do the R&D for this, right?
Yes, this was developed with an Australian government R&D grant.
You see, so the important point is, I disagree to him in some way, what he just said, that this could be an interim solution while the grid comes in. I disagree, because a lot of people really don't need to wait for the grid to be connected. Like when I buy a mobile phone, I may be a poor person very far away from the city. I don't buy a mobile phone anticipating one day landline will come. No one wants a landline. For these people very far away, maybe the price is where it is coming down with a less than a $40 system, 1 room. You have a 5 room, put 5 of those, $200. You don't need electricity to have basic lighting. Then of course, if you're on television, if you're on fridges, you have to add few more things. We have a technical assistant that is precisely, we are going to do that. We are trying to develop an electricity in a box. Of course, it will not be like this, but it will use the same technology, that is a solar power, super efficient LEDs, super efficient appliances, a fan, a television, a fridge, and few other things, a charger, and similar lithium-ion batteries. So next time you see a solar panel, please just don't think these are the things stands on your roof.
Also with solar panel, no glass.
Yes, no